will be a Akshita. We heartily invite our chief guests, Mrs. and Mr. Satish Srinivasan, for this exceptional 78th Indian Independence Day celebration at our school premises. We also warmly welcome our parents, friends, teachers, and fellow students. Once again, the world is turning back its eyes towards our nation for its vibrant color of unity, love, and strength. The 78th Indian Independence Day is very unique and special for its administration of a great populace and democracy under greater diversity.